HVAC, Design and Drafting, Basic. Duct Fittings, Elbow. Elbow, Introduction. Elbow is a type of duct fittings, made with the same material of duct, i.e., GI-AL. It is used to joint the vertical and horizontal duct or two-direction duct. Advantage of using an elbow is reduce the max pressure loss by its smooth surface area. So many types of elbows are used in HVAC systems based on application. To make the elbow perfectly, OSHRI gives some standards to get maximum efficiency. See in this lesson. Elbow structure. Elbows types. Elbows types. The determination of the types of elbows used in a duct job depend on a variety of factors, some of which are the engineer's preference, the contractor's influence, and the space allowances. Note: radius elbows take up more space than square back elbows with turning vanes as shown in duct design. Extras. In the case of the NOLA New Airport project, the engineer had a preference for radius fittings and there was abundant space for which to work, chose radius and elbow fittings on this large duct. There is, however, one square-backed elbow visible, bonus points if you can identify it. Elbow types. 2 hollow vane and 2 PRO rail shown installed to turn air in square-backed elbows. Often used when there are space constraints as they take up less space than radius elbows. Elbow types. 2 vane and rail installed in square back elbow. Turning vanes are installed to redirect airflow in square. How to find turning vanes. Drill screws indicate the turning vane is installed. Elbow type. Radius elbow with square throat. Elbow type. Radius elbows with radius throat. Reinforced with tie rods. Elbow type. Radius elbow with tight throat radius. Elbow type. Elbows made with button lock instead of Pittsburgh. Will usually appear to be in more pristine condition because they haven't had to withstand the tinner's hammer required with the Pittsburgh lock. Elbow type. Elbows made with button lock instead of Pittsburgh. Will usually appear to be in more pristine condition because they haven't. Thanks for watching.